Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing some problems on square and square root topic. Here we are trying to find out the square root of decimal numbers by a long division method. Here are two numbers 7.29 and 31.36. We will be finding the square root of these numbers by long division method. Okay, so we proceed ahead. So we are trying to learn how to find a square root of a decimal number by division method. Okay, successive division method or long division method. The method remains same as normal, only there is a little change in case of decimal number, that when you put bars on the top of the pairs of this, there is a certain sequence to follow. Okay, so we have to bar the number pairs as shown in the example below. I have taken some arbitrary number. Okay, and from decimal you have to go to the left hand first, and then from decimal to the right hand side. So 126.2873, decimal is after 26, then 26 first, then 1, then 28, then 73. Okay, this is the order by which you have to put that bar on this number. Okay, and then you can solve. Okay, so I again repeating the same thing, that this is a decimal and away from the decimal point, and I have given the direction left hand side and right hand side. Okay, to again understand it very properly. Okay, so now we will move to find actual square root of a decimal number. Okay, so we have taken a number from a book, 7.29 square root. Okay, 7.29. Then normal procedure, that horizontal and vertical line and bars. We'll bar 7 first and then 29. Okay, though this is a small number, we have to follow the rule. Okay, we are trying to find out by division method. Okay, so I am writing that first. Okay, then you have to concentrate on 7 and see which square number is less than 7 and very near to 7. Okay, so 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. So we have achieved a condition where 2 square is less than 7 is less than 3 square. Okay, then select 2, then take this 2, 2s are 4. Okay, subtract it and you get 3, and then transfer that 0.29 and a dot after that to answer another. Okay, now multiply this 2 by 2 is 4, and on right hand side take 4, 1 into, that is 41 into 1 is 41, 41 into 1. You know how to carry out this. Okay, you are acquainted with this or familiar with this method. Okay, you should try to solve some problems and try to practice this. Okay, 42 into 2 is a very intelligent method, very useful method. Okay, there is a minimum chance to go or make any mistake or go for the error. Okay, so 43 into 3 is 9 and 129. Okay, 44 into 4, so that is 4 4 the 6 is 6, carry 1, 176. Okay, 45 into 5 is 45 into 5 is 5, 5 is a 5, carry 2, then it is 225. Okay, if you have enough practice, then you need not start from 1, you can start from in between. For that you need enough practice. That means you have to solve as many examples as you can, and if you go on solving, this is very easy. Okay, so 46 into 6 is 276. We have not yet reached the value. Okay, 47 into 7 is 9, carry 4, then 28. This is 32. So 329. This is your number. Okay, so we carry out. Okay, this is the number. So 47, we have already given point after 2. So 47 into 0.7 is 3.29. Okay, subtract it. You are getting 0, 0. Okay, so as you, a remainder is 0. Okay, that means 7.29, the original number, is a perfect square or has a square root. So we get square root of 7.29 is equal to 2.7. And where it is, just see, we have already found it out. Okay, that's it. Okay, try some examples. So after having solved an example on finding the square root of a decimal number by a division method, we are trying to solve one more problem. Okay, in the previous problem we have seen a difference in this, in the normal method made when it is a number is a normal number without decimal and with decimal. The difference is, in normal number you give the bars on the top of the number pairs, okay, from right to left, but in the decimal number, from decimal to left first and from decimal to right afterwards. We have quoted this in a previous example. I am just trying to recollect it now so that you will remember it. Though in this problem it doesn't make any difference, but still rules are rules and you are supposed to stick to the rules so that you don't make mistake when you solve such type of problems. Okay, so we read the problem here. We have to find the square root of a decimal number by division method. Okay, and the number is 31.36. so answer is, we have to proceed the similar way but a little change while putting a bars on the top of the number pairs. Okay, as I told you, from decimal point to the left and from decimal point to the right. Okay, so after that you try solving in the normal way. You must have, by now you must have done enough practice on this, so this should be very easy for you. Okay, so we are directly trying to solve the problem 31.36. Okay, right from the decimal point. Okay, so finishing that the statement and trying to solve the problem 31.36. so now this vertical and horizontal bar, and now if you try to put a bars on the top of these numbers, should be 31 first and then 36. Though I told you it doesn't make any difference, but still you have to follow the rules. Now try to find out a number which is a perfect square and lesser than 31. 5 square. Okay, it's very easy. 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36. Is greater than 31. So 5 is your number. Okay, see right here the comment. 5 square is less than 31 is less than 6 square. Okay, so we take 5 and 5, the main problem, and 25. 5 5 is 25. Okay, and subtract this 25 from 31, you get 6. Okay, and bring the whole block down, 36, the whole pair. Okay, 36. Now for this point add a decimal point after that 5. Now multiply this 5 by 2. This is like this and you get 10. Okay, come to the right hand side, write 10 and first digit 1 into 1, that is 101 into 1. Remember how we do the division method. 101 into 1, 102 into 2, that is 10 will remain as it is, 2 into 2. Okay, that should be 204. Okay, 103 into 3. Okay, so like that, this method like that is very easy and very easy to understand. Okay, 103 into 3 is 309. The next one is 104 into 4. Okay, so that should be 6 ones are now 6 416. Okay, then 105 into 5 is 5 5 is a 5, 25 is carry 2, then is 225. Okay, 106 into 6, why we are doing it? We have to cross the number, that 6.36 or 636 in this case. 6 into 6 is 636, that is your number. Okay, so see marking by red. Okay, so you have 6 there, the 106 and point we have already written, so 5.6, that is 6.36. This comes because already that point is there, and subtract it, 000. Okay, the moment you get 000, that means the original number, in this case it is 31.36, is a perfect square. Okay, and we'll have a perfect square root also. Okay, so let us try to put it in a proper sentence, that as the remainder is 0, the given original number, that is 31.36, is a perfect square, and therefore the square root of 31.36, it has a square root, and we are trying to write the actual answer. We are trying to find the square root of the number 31.36. So 31.36 is 5.6, and where we got it, just see here. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Solve some more problems on your own on this topic. Still, if you face any difficulty, write to me in the comment section and I shall solve it. This is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. Thank you. Good luck.